Lozano, and today I will be discussing the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Multimedia and ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, covers any communication device or application including radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network hardware, and software systems. What is multimedia and what is ICT? Multimedia is the use of computer to present and combine text, graphics, audio and video with links and tools that let the users navigate, create, interact, and communicate. While ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology, it refers to the infrastructure and components that enable modern computer including devices, networking components, application and system that allows people and organizations to interact into the digital world. What are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century? First is better accessibility. People with disabilities now have easier access to information and opportunities to engage in society because of multimedia and ICT. People with visual and hearing impairments can more readily access multimedia information and interact with others. Next is it can improve communication. People can now communicate each other more efficiently and easily than ever. Video conferencing, instant messaging, email, and social media have made it possible for people to interact more efficiently and affordable. Then, increased productivity. One of the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century is increased productivity. Multimedia and ICT both increased productivity across a number of industries. Businesses may optimize their workflows using digital tools and software. Another is it can enhance learning. We study more and have a better comprehension of multimedia and ICT. Students may have additional possibilities to interact with the material when learning through video. Video course material are accessible for students all over the world. So basically, multimedia and ICT have had profound impact on our lives and have transformed the way we communicate, learn, work, and entertain ourselves.